So that's where I do most of the like intense stuff, is the chin. The rest of the face I'm not as like hardcore about. So I do have some hair here. So what I do, actually, you know, I've had a love, sometimes I've loved it, sometimes I haven't. So I use the Flawless. It's really good. I think what you always have to do is make sure you get a new head for it. And it's like totally painless. Watch. Like I don't feel anything. It's amazing. I think it was like 20 bucks. So then I just go there. I also do that for my mustache. And what I like about it is sometimes if you're shaving, you kind of miss some areas. Whereas with this, you can really be thorough. Go right and get right in there. I just don't want to look like the cafeteria lunch lady. Remember the cafeteria lunch lady who always had like that one hair sticking out of her chin? So yeah. Now obviously this I'm not going to go as hardcore. I'll probably just put some facial oil on the areas that I've gone over. Just because, you know, it's exfoliation. You're basically exfoliating your skin. And then, you know, you just kind of want to feel around. It feels pretty good. I'm sure I could do more because I'm doing it here where I usually don't do it, and I'm doing it on video, so I'm probably like missing some spots. And then with my eyebrows, usually the other thing I do, I haven't been doing it lately, but you really, your eyebrows can be so dry, you guys. So see what I'm doing? I just took a shower, so it's quite moist. I've already put some facial oil on, but I want you guys to really be mindful about your eyebrows. They can be so dry, and just really want to go over your eyebrows and just really work it in there so that even when you're doing your makeup or just in general, you're not going to get that flakiness, because it's really annoying. It's not something you probably have dealt with when you were younger dealing with makeup, but as it always is getting older, there's some things you got to get used to. So I'm just going to go over there. Now, since I did that, I'm not going to actually go over my eyebrows, but I do like this. This is another part of the Flawless. Does it have a name here on the side? It doesn't. But anyway, this is another part of the Flawless one. So it's a little bit more defined, so you can really get in there. And that's what I like to do. Although sometimes I also will go over this and I'll just kind of go all the way around. I don't think it's important to show you how to use these. They're pretty self-explanatory. This, like I said, is more like a point. And so, again, you know, totally painless. You can't even feel it. I love this. It's really cool. They have one for the body that I might try. This is also what I use for maintenance. I'll use that for maintenance. So after I've done the waxing, and say like tomorrow, the next day, if I get a little bit of growth, I will go over it with this just to maintain it. So now I'm going to just put a little bit of that oil on just to moisturize, so I don't need to do that. So yeah, you really want, my mantra, my theme, the thing I always say, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. That is the most important thing when you get older, is you just, the moisture doesn't stay in the way it used to when we was younger. So yeah, this is the kind of thing you want to do at night. You don't want to do this like before your makeup, doing something like this that's gonna wreak havoc on your skin. I would say even do this even before you take a shower. And then so when you're doing any skincare in the shower, just be careful of that area so you don't really overly irritate it. And then when you come out, you're going to do what, you know, when you come out of the shower, you're going to put all this stuff just to keep the inflammation down.